Hey guys, welcome to this client interview. Today I have Nick Wilson here. He's one of my clients. We've been working together for around close to 2 months, around 2 months. We're having awesome success, and thanks for joining us, Nick.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, Dickie.
Awesome. Yeah. So why don't you just kind of give us a brief introduction of who you are, what you do, and what you're about.
Yeah. So, Nick Wilson, I'm a financial advisor, been in the industry for 6 years. Um, Dickie had reached out to me. I looked at his LinkedIn and his services and had been getting a number of messages from guys similar to Dickie about just using LinkedIn to create more leads, get more meetings on the calendar. And I figured if that many people were reaching out, there's got to be something to it. Dickie just got lucky and he happened to be the guy that I agreed to meet with. And that's how we ended up here.
Awesome, man. Yeah. So I mean, before working together, what are the types of methods that you're using to actually get clients and set up appointments?
Yep. So if you think back just the traditional ways that they teach you when you get started, asking for referrals and client meetings, coming with feeder lists, personal observations, cold calls. And that was really what I was doing. And then, as you get more established, your clients become more loyal. Maybe a few times a month we'll get clients who email us without us asking them referrals. But that was pretty much it. Just out there grinding, asking, feeding names, trying to get in front of people.
All right. And what was like your experience when working together, and like how did that kind of like change for you?
Yeah, so I knew there were people out there, just based on my experience, who want to work with a financial advisor. They have needs. We just don't necessarily have a means of getting connected with them or referred to them because our clients don't know these people. And that's what LinkedIn is for, right? For professional services. There are some people who view it differently. There are a lot of people who view it for what I think it should be used for. You have a service, go out there and find someone who you can work with. So I really like that. It made me nervous that, hey, I'm going to be reaching out to people that I don't know, I haven't been referred to. But once we started doing it, there's absolutely no fear. And what I found is that people were much more receptive to getting on a call and learning about what we do and actually getting a fact finder scheduled than in a lot of other circumstances. So adding this to, we're just always programmed and wired to still ask for referrals and client meetings, but I viewed this as a way to get in front of people that I didn't have the means of getting in front of, and it's worked.
Yeah, because a lot of guys are asking me, "Hey, is this real? Does this really work?" I kind of get it. It's kind of like skeptical and stuff like that. What would you say to those who are kind of skeptical or on the fence about, using this method to get clients and using my service?
Well, more so than just the service. I mean, Dickie, it's your process. Like, we had a fact-finding meeting. You wanted to get clarity as to far as what my current situation was, what I was doing, who are the people that I'm trying to get in front of, why am I not getting in front of those people, and then showing me and helping me understand how your system can do that. And that's immediately what we did from the get-go, is we targeted very specific demographic of people that I wanted to get in front of.
Yeah.
And it works. So more so than just your process, you're not just trying to sell me a service. You took the time to get to know my business, who I am, what I want to do, why it's important to me, and just making sure that not only you have clarity, you wanted to make sure that I had clarity as far as who I wanted to see and who I wanted to work with. That's been really, really helpful. It's been really, really helpful.
Yeah. I enjoy working with you. It's a fun time for me. It's more like from a client to a kind of like a friend relationship, which is awesome.
Yeah.
But man, hey, thanks for jumping in today. Good to have you here.